Yes, let us do one more problem. Here it is 7 persons. 7 persons, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. They are attending some marriage. They are attending marriages. The marriages are happening in Jan, Feb, March, June, August, October, and December. Here 7 months, right? But they are not attending in the same order, and they like different fruits. There are how many different types of fruits? Banana, grapes, papaya, orange, mango, lychee, and apple. Right? There are 7 people, 7 fruits, and 7 months. This is the problem, right? But not necessarily in the same order. We have to map all of this. That is the broad problem, right? Now, for this, we have written all the months here. Then we have to map the persons and we have to map the fruits. You can always ask, why did we fix the months? We could as well have written PQRST UV, or we could have written uh, the fruits also, right? Why did we choose to write the months? Why did we choose to write months as the starting point? Because there is a reason. Because months before and after make sense, right? Because this is about time period also. A month before March will mean February. A month after March will mean June. But it's not the case with PQRST, right? So the order doesn't make sense. Order is irrelevant, right? It is just alphabetical order. Otherwise, it doesn't make any sense. Similarly, fruits also, the order doesn't make any sense, right? So because these are plain names, but in months, the order actually makes sense. That's why we choose months. Because if someone says P went before Q, then it is easy depicting P went before Q. Otherwise, if we had written P and Q, then writing somewhere June. So, for example, like this. P went Q before let's say P went before Q, and we can clearly write it like this. And someone has given Q went in June. Then this becomes very easy for us depicting like this. On the other hand, if you had on the other hand, or instead of P went before Q, let's say S went before Q. S went before Q. S is in June, and then this becomes March. Right. This is easy depicting. Or otherwise, what if you had gone by the order of persons, then Q or S, we will write it like this. Then it becomes difficult. S went before Q. Then the calculation will become difficult. Q is June, S is before Q, which is March. It becomes little difficult. So when you are dealing with orders, so it's better to write with months as the order, because that will naturally be advantages for us, because here we'll get some hints around the order also. Right, that's why we chose months. Then probably in the second one we'll put persons and we'll put fruits. Let's try this. Let's try this question. Let's understand what all hints are given. R is going to attend the marrying in a month which has less than 31 days. Okay, we cannot use it. Because 31 days, June is there, February is there. That means R has to be either in June or Feb. Right, only 2 persons are going to attend the marriage ceremony between the month in which R and S are going. We don't know where is R, where is S. Right, so we cannot use this. The one who likes banana is going to attend the marriage ceremony immediate before tea. This also you cannot use directly. Only one person attends the ceremony before the one who likes papaya. This seems interesting, right? Only one person is attending the ceremony before the one who is liking papaya. What does that mean? The papaya should be the second guy, right? Because only one guy is going before papaya, right? The papaya guy should be the second guy. That means the papaya guy has to be February, right? So who likes papaya? February likes papaya. So this is the first good hint for us, right? Hint number 5. So we started with hint number 5. I'm writing the here. Then Q attends the ceremony immediately after the one who likes papaya. Who likes papaya? February. That means who is attending next? Q is attending next. The person is Q. Which fruit he knows, we don't know. So the second hint that we have got is 6. He is attending the ceremony immediately after the one who likes papaya, immediately after the one immediately after Feb, that means is March. Q is in March. 5, 6. Next one. Only 3 persons attend the marriage ceremony between Q and the one who likes mango. Only 3 persons attend between Q and the one who likes mango. Q, there is nothing, 3 persons, anything towards left side because only 2 slots are there, right? So that means the 3 persons before Q is not possible. Before Q, max is 2 only. So that means after Q only it is possible. After Q, 3 slots are gone, and then it is mango, right? After Q, 3 people we have to leave, and then the next one is mango. Okay, so we are using condition number 7. Condition number 7, which says this is mango. Right? Condition number 7, which says this is mango. Next. 8 condition is T likes neither mango nor papaya. That means T is neither Feb nor December, but still we cannot give. P attends the ceremony immediately before T. We don't know where is T, where is P. V likes apple. Okay, P likes apple, but we don't know. This can be here, 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 here. Right. The one who likes grapes attends the seminary in the month which has 31 days. Which has less than 31 days. Which all months have less than 31 days? Feb has less than 31 days, but this cannot be grapes because it's already taken by papaya. Then what does mean? Only June. Because August, October, December, March, Jan, everyone has, all these months have greater than or all have 31 days. Right? Only month that is left is June. What does that mean? As per condition number 11, this becomes, June becomes grapes. So we have used condition number 11 also. Next. 12. The one who attends the ceremony in March does not like orange. Okay. This guy doesn't like orange. That's okay. Now, we have read all the conditions. Let's try again reading all the conditions with these hints. We are able to fill some of this. Let's try to see if we are able to fill something else with these conditions. Right. Let's try to read some conditions together. For example, here, the one who likes banana is going to attend the marriage ceremony immediately before tea. What does that mean? Tea is going somewhere. Tea is going somewhere, and banana is going before immediately before tea. And P attends the seminar before attends the ceremony immediately before T. This is condition number 9. We are using which two conditions? We are using condition number 4 and condition number 9. Right, 4 and 9, 4 plus 9 we are seeing. 4 plus 9. What does that mean? The one who is attending, who likes bananas attends immediately before T, and the one who is immediately attending before T is actually P. Right, 4 plus 9 is leading to this. Now, so we have to fit this. The slot is something like this. We have to find some kind of structure like this, where there is a slot for fruit, there is a slot for person, and there is another slot for person. Right. What is that option? One is this slot, one is this slot, right? This inverted L, this slot is there. And then this slot is not there because papaya is there, right? We have to have one empty here, one empty here, one empty here. 3 empties, right? This slot is not available. This slot is not available because this is not empty. This slot is also not available because this is not empty. So this slot is available, right? What are the various slots? One is this slot, this slot, and another is this slot. These 3 slots are available for P, T, and banana. Now 4 plus 9 condition. There is one more condition which is actually 8, which says T likes neither mango nor papaya. What does that mean? This cannot be T. This cannot be T. This cannot be T. What does that mean? This this structure is gone. This structure is also gone. We are left with only one structure. So let's erase this one. This is gone. This is also gone. Because T cannot like as per condition number 8. 4 plus 9 plus 8. So we are reading 4, 8, 9. All 3 together we are reading. Then we are saying only this slot is available for P, banana, and T together. So this will be P. Same guy likes banana. And the next guy is actually T. So we are using 4, 8, 9 conditions together. Then let's look at it. What is this one? Now let's further look at the conditions. V likes apple, right? So that means we need to have a slot, V apple slot. That means a slot is something like this. We need a structure like this. Where can we fit? Here we can fit. Here we can't fit. Here we can't fit. Here we can't fit because we need both slots open. We can't fit. We can't fit. We can't fit. We can't fit. So that means this has to be. This has to be V. This has to be apple. Right. We have used condition number 10. V likes apple. Then R is going to, let's see what we can do. Then we had seen one more month, which one is R? R is going to attend marriage in a month which is less than 31 days. Earlier 31 days, grapes was that, right? We had figured that out. Now we are using condition number 2, which is saying R is going to attend the marriage in a month which is less than 31 days. What is the only option? February. February is the only option, right? Only 2 months are less than 31 and one is already taken, right? Sorry, wait. R is going to attend the one uh, which is less than 31 days, and only two persons are going to attend the marriage ceremony between R and S. Okay, so we have to read these two conditions together because R can be here, right? R can be here or R can be here, right? As per condition number 2. As per condition number 2, R can be here or R can be here. Now, as per condition number 3, only two persons are going to attend the marriage ceremony between the month in which R and S attend the ceremony. Right. So only two persons are between R and S. If R is this, then S left side anyway there is no possibility. S has to be this, but it cannot be this because August P has already taken. But if R is this, S can be this, which cannot happen because V has already taken, or there is a slot for S here. Right. If R is here, there is no slot for S because this P is already taken that slot. But if R is here, there is a slot for S, so that means R cannot be this. Right. R can be this only. R can be this, and what that means? S has to be this. We are using condition number 2 and 3 together. 2 and 3 we have taken together. Right. Then what else is left? We are left with Feb. We are left with two more fruits. The one who attends the assembly in March does not like orange. This guy does not like orange. What does that mean? Orange has to be liked by this guy only. There are only two slots for orange, right? So orange has to be this way. And what is the fruit left? All fruits are done except lychee. So lychee has to be here, right? And what is the person left? P, Q, R, S, T. U is not done. V is done, right? So that means this guy is U. This guy is U. Let's relook at all the conditions and see whether our solution is satisfying this or not. 7 persons P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. All 7 are there. Jan, Feb, March, June. Jan, Feb, March, June. October, November. All 7 months are there. And all fruits. Banana, grapes, papaya. Banana, grapes, papaya. Mango, lychee, apple. Banana, grapes, mango, lychee. Orange, mango, lychee, apple. Where is orange? Orange, mango, lychee, apple. Okay. All all three conditions are set. Next. R is going to attend the marriage in a month which has less than 31 days. Where is R? R is here. He is attending in less than 31 days. Yes. Only two persons are going to attend the marriage between month R and S. R and S, there are only two persons, which is also a fact, which is also satisfied. The one who likes banana is going to attend the marriage ceremony before T. Yes, this is T and this guy is banana, which is P. Only one person attends the ceremony before the one who likes papaya. Yes, papaya, only one person is there. Q attends ceremony immediately after one, Q after papaya. Q is after papaya. Very good. Only three persons attend the marriage between Q and the one who likes mango. Q and mango, only three are there. T neither likes mango nor T likes orange. T attends the ceremony immediately before T. Yes, P is banana. V likes apple less. The one who likes grapes attend the ceremony in the month which has less than 31 days. Yes, grapes is in June 30 days. The one who attends the ceremony in March does not like oranges. He likes lychee. So all conditions are satisfied. Once all conditions are satisfied, 100%, our solution is satisfied. We don't need to worry anything about our solution. Once we go through all the conditions and our solution is satisfied, that means the solution is the solution. That is the correct solution. Now let's look at the questions. Which of the following represent the month in which S enters the marriage? S is in December, right? Which of the following represent the people who attend the ceremony in Jan and June respectively? Who is Jan? Jan is V and June is R. V and R is the correct answer. How many persons attend the ceremony between the months in which V and R? V and R, there are two people. Right, two is the correct answer. R is related to banana and P is related to orange. R and banana next to each other. P and orange are next to each other. U and U and lychee. Right, lychee has to be that. So R is before banana, P is before orange. Right, P is before orange. U should be before lychee. Which of the following fruits does you like? You likes papaya. Right. So this is a decent medium level problem. Hope you understood this. Only tricky thing is to understand the structure of P, banana and T, the structure of V and apple. We should be able to draw the structure and then fit that structure into the given table. And at the same time, another tricky thing is they have all the conditions. Which condition to use first and which condition to use later. This comes with practice as we have to go through all the conditions and then figure out which conditions we should use first. Then as we use first few conditions, then other conditions become more helpful. This is what we have to understand. Next, there's one more small problem which has come in SBI PO Prelims 2016. This is a very small problem, but still, three questions were given. It's very small. We can do it in seconds. Let's look at this. Among six books, A, B, C, D, E, F, kept in a library shelves. Among six books, okay, A, B, C, D, F are six books. They are kept in library shelves of different sizes. Shelves of different sizes. Let's assume again, here the order is important. The nomenclature of books is not important. The names of books is not important. The order of shelves is more important. So size 1, size 2, size 3, size 4, size 5, size 6. Shelf size 1, size 2, size 3, 4, 5, 6. That is why we are writing in this order rather than A, B, C, D, E, F. Right, because it is easier for us. The order of shelves is more important than the names of books. That's why we choose this. Next, book A is kept at the shelf which is only less than the shelf in which book D is kept. What does that mean? Book A is kept at the shelf which is only less in size. This shelf in which book A is kept is less in size only to D. Right. What does that mean? There is nothing else which is greater than A's except D. Right. Book A is kept in a shelf which is only less in size than the shelf in which D is kept. A is less only when compared with D. The shelf of A is less only when compared with D. That means A is greater than everything else. A is less, which is only less in size, that is than when compared with D. A is greater than everything and it is less only to D. What does that mean? D is the largest, right? D is in the largest shelf and A is in the second largest, right? Let's assume this is largest. This is largest, S1 is smallest. What does this mean? So D is here, A is here. Simple, right? Only three shelves are less in size than the shelf in which book C is kept. Three are less in size. What does that mean? What does that mean? Only three are less in size than the shelf in which book C is kept. That means book C has to be this only, right? Then only S1, S2, S3 will be there. Right. The shelf in which F is kept is less in size than the shelf in which E is kept. F is less than E. That means F can be this or F can be this. F can't be this, right? Because E has to be there, uh, which is sitting in a bigger shelf than S. So E has to have given one slot. If takes this slot, E has two slots. If F takes this slot, E has one slot. If F takes this slot, there is no slot for E. So that means F can be this or this. But again, condition number 5, book F is not kept at the lowest shelf. That means F has got only two slots. Lowest one is not possible. So F is only this. If F is only this, what does that mean? The shelf in which F is kept is less in size than the E. That means this is E. And what is left? B is left, right? So that means this is B, right? This is the order. This is the simple problem. Which among the following books is kept at the lowest shelf? B, right? B is the answer. Now, if the size of the shelf in which book E is kept is 16 centimeters, which of the following may be size of the shelf in which book B is kept? Right. Do we actually need to solve any of this problem here? If it is he's saying some condition, right? If E can be kept in 16, can be kept in some shelf, right? So here the sizes doesn't matter, right? Whether it is 16 or whatsoever, what just matters is whether these numbers are greater than 16 or less than 16. 19 is greater than 16, 22 is greater than 16, 18 greater than 16, 17 greater than 16. That means E is the correct answer, right? We don't need to even know anything about this problem at all, right? Because the size of the shelf doesn't matter. Just that whether it is larger than E or smaller than E, that is the only thing that matters. Right. So it doesn't matter. So we don't even need to solve this problem at all to answer this question. Even because we solve this problem, let's look at this with this mindset also. Uh, e E should be greater than B. Right. What that means? Only 12 is lesser than E. That means answer 12 is anyway the answer. But without that also you can answer this question. How many shelves are less in size than the shelf in which book E is kept? There are only two shelves. Right. Two is the correct answer. Hope you understood this problem. This is a very small problem. Within a minute, we should be able to solve this. Hope you understood both the questions. If any doubts, please comment and we'll take up these questions again. Thank you, guys. All the best. Bye bye.